from just before entry to a few minutes after landing. The telemetry we receive will be delayed by the time it takes light to travel from Mars to us back on Earth. Additionally, the Mars Atmosphere and Volatile Evolution spacecraft, or MAVEN, is recording these UHF signals and will be relaying that recording hours after landing. MAVEN will be covering us from around the time of cruise stage separation until a few minutes after landing. We also receive what we call heartbeat tones, which are important to note that while unexpected, we could lose our communication links and still land safely. Because Perseverance is doing...
When you get to Mars, there's a lot of things we just don't know.
Space always has a way of throwing us curveballs and surprising us.
I mean, until we get the data that says we're on the ground safely, I'm going to be worried that we're not going to make it.
Entry, descent, and landing is often referred to as about 7 minutes to get from the top of the atmosphere of Mars to the ground safely.
The spacecraft has to do all of this by itself.
There are many things that have to go right to get Perseverance onto the ground safely.
There's a lot counting on this. This is the first leg of our sample return relay race. There's a lot of work on the line.
Starting about 10 minutes before atmospheric entry, we get rid of really the spacecraft part of the rover that's been supporting us.
We come screaming in to the Martian atmosphere at 12 to 13,000 miles per hour.
And the heat shield is what dissipates all that initial energy through friction.
The vehicle will continue actually flying itself through the atmosphere. It's sort of like a transforming vehicle that went from spacecraft, and now it's kind of like an aircraft actively guiding itself.
When we're going slow enough, we deploy a parachute.
Das Perseverance Rover Mikrofon der NASA erfasst Geräusche vom Mars. Dieser Satz von Geräuschen von der Marsoberfläche wurde am 20. Februar 2021 vom Mikrofon an der Seite des Perseverance Rover der NASA aufgezeichnet. Im ersten Satz dominieren die Geräusche vom Rover selbst. Im zweiten Satz wurde der Ton gefiltert, um die Geräusche vom Mars besser hörbar zu machen. Im zweiten Satz ist ein wenig Wind zu hören. Dies ist das erste Mal, dass ein Mars-Rover mit einem Mikrofon ausgestattet wurde. Weitere Informationen zu Perseverance finden Sie unter https://mars.nasa.gov/perseverance.